Supreme Court presses union on homeless rehabilitation, a very serious issue. The Supreme Court has raised a significant and sensitive concern, urging the union government to promptly consider rehabilitation strategies for individuals who are homeless and mentally ill. This issue is not just a legal matter. It touches the very fabric of our society and the well-being of some of its most vulnerable members. During a recent hearing regarding a public interest litigation, PIL, that advocates for these rehabilitation measures, Justice Sandeep Mehta posed a critical question to the union. Acts are there. Where is the execution? Where is the compliance? This pointed inquiry highlights a glaring gap between legislation and its implementation, emphasizing the urgency of the situation. The bench, which included Justices Vikram, Nath, and Sandeep Mehta, pressed the Union of India for details on the actions taken to address this pressing issue. The additional Solicitor General, Brigender Chahar, requested an extension of 8 weeks to provide a progress report, indicating that discussions are ongoing within the government. Justice Nath responded firmly, stating, "You need to take it very seriously and in as less time as possible," underscoring the need for immediate action. Advocate Gaurav Kumar Bansal, who initiated the PIL, expressed his deep concern for the plight of homeless individuals suffering from mental illness, describing their situation as akin to being literally becoming a football. He acknowledged that his choice of words might be harsh, but he clarified that the law mandates police stations to assist in rehabilitation efforts. Unfortunately, he pointed out, there is often a lack of support from law enforcement, and the available rehabilitation programs are insufficient, particularly for women in these vulnerable situations. In response to these concerns, Justice Mehta assured that the bench is looking forward to a comprehensive response from the central government on all related issues, promising to monitor the case closely. "We will try and take it to the logical conclusion," he stated, indicating a commitment to seeing this matter resolved. As the additional Solicitor General began to discuss the Central Health Authority's role under the 2017 Act, Justice Mehta interjected, reiterating his earlier point. "Acts are there, Mr. Chahar. Where is the execution? Where is the compliance?" This exchange highlights the frustration with the slow pace of action in addressing such critical issues. The PIL not only involves the union government, but also includes various states and union territories, reflecting the widespread nature of the problem. The next hearing is scheduled for September 22nd, and it remains to be seen how the government will respond to this urgent call for action. Case title: Gaurav Kumar Bansal versus Union of India and ORS, WPC number 198, 2025. This situation raises important questions. How can we ensure that laws designed to protect the most vulnerable are effectively implemented? What role should the government play in facilitating rehabilitation for those in need? We invite you to share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below.